Hey guys, I got a '06 GTO. I really hope this video gets seen and some people maybe help me. I have an '06 GTO. It's got the 6.0 LS2. I've been having problems with it. The computer reads random misfire. I had the battery changed the other day and it helped for a little bit. Okay, so what the car does is it idles rough, it misses, but when you drive it, a few miles, 2 to 5, 6 miles, then it goes away most of the time. So what I don't get is if it's a compression problem, why is it, some people say it could be warming up and then it can be closing off the, like if it's a head gasket, it can be warming up and closing the head gasket, but you can drive it, 6 miles and it can be running fine, but you can turn it off and then start right back up and it misses again until you drive it for a little bit, and it's like the computer corrects itself. So when I bought the new battery, it ran pretty good for a while and then it started slowly getting bad again. Slowly started to do what it did before. If y'all can give me some tips or tell me what you think it is, that'd be great, because I'm lost of words. I don't really know what's going on. I've changed my wires. I put iridium plugs in it. I've checked the coils on it. I haven't done a compression test, but I will eventually, just to get it out of the way. I really doubt that's what it is, but I haven't done a fuel pressure test. I probably end up doing that too. But if it's a fuel pressure test, how does it correct itself? Because eventually it corrects itself. So that's what makes me question, a compression or, even injectors. If it's injectors, how does it correct itself? Maybe the computer corrects it, But if you guys got some tips, or if you have a car or had a car that done the same thing, I'm desperate. Please. Thanks, guys.